Hey everyone, how are you? This is Miki again from WakeUp Labs. Here again to share some updates on the project we have been building. Today, I would like to walk you through the progress we have made on a special gift to the community, a vision that of what could be possible in the future once the Sandbox APIs become more open. This is a Figma prototype, not a full developed version yet, but it represents a potential path to scale the platform moving forward. While we are already developing the previous version we showed, this new concept showcases additional opportunities we could unlock in the mid to long term for the UCG platform. As many of you know, this will be a smart search experience where users can explore content using natural languages powered by a GPT model. Initially, we are using a lighter mini model to keep token cost manageable, allowing us to scale effectively. In this gift to the community version, we are showcasing features based on real data access, something that could become a reality for future API integrations. For example, on the homepage, aside from the sponsored experiences we already showed last week's in the version that we will launch, we are adding a new module showing the top experiences and top creators of the day. Users will be able to filter these by time frame, like last week, last 14 days, last month, and also use a combined filter that ranks experiences based on metrics like ranking, number of plays, average session lengths, and lifetime visits. For example, if you see here in the drop down, you can filter by these session length, lifetime visits, and also if user wants to see more than just the top five creators or top five experiences, you can deep dive on a full list of the first 100 creators or experiences. And also, if a user, for example, look for fighting experiences, if that is the case, they can click into one of the results, let's say, like for example, this Tower of Myth, and they will be taken to this new screen that we are proposing, that it's a detailed view of the experiences. And here they can see an overview of the experiences with a little AI generated content of the description of that experiences. Users will be able to access the same features that we talked in the last version that we present, that will be support to the creator, or where they can share experience or send a tip, or they can play now. And here the user will have access to different data. We think this is important to make it more visible and accessible for everyone. Today, these metrics, some of them are on the creator side, on the Sandbox experiences, but this will be able to all. Also, we are adding session length, that it's a metric that is really important to know how many players and how many time users are staying on that experience. Below that, we will also be suggesting other experiences from the same creator, as well if these creators have other experiences and similar experience to what the user is looking for, in this case, either fighting or battle experiences. These will be powered by AI recommendations. We are also introducing a new module that is Player Insights. I think that this will be very reachable for creators. If you tap here, users will see a Hall of Fame, that this Hall of Fame is the ranked list of the top players for that experience based on engagement and activity. And also they will see comment summary, that this is an intelligent breakdown of positive and negative feedback, showing what's working and what can be improved, powered by AI, that will summarize the opportunities and things that are going well in that experience. To access these insights, the creator will need to sign in with their wallet or email. For example, they tap here, and once logged in, I go to continue wallet, MetaMask, And once the is login, we detect it's the real owner, and they will see a full dashboard that will be ordered by an average of these metrics. The average of these metrics to the Hall of Fame will be total play time in the experiences, number of visits to that experience, missions completing the experience, social interactions, comments, and others. We also identify a great opportunity to allow creators to reward their top players in their experience. For example, if I am a creator and I want to give tips to the first 3 players, I can go directly here if I want to donate only to one tip to only to one player. And here I can select if I want to give the tip on Sand directly or select another currency. Or I can select all the first 10 players here and tip all the selected players together. And these wallets will be extracted for the official Sandbox site. So the ones that the users have there will be connected to these names. And we also include filters so creators can view this data by time frames, today, for example, or last month, etc. And we have another model that it's interesting that we developed for this. That is, for example, if we want to see positive comments, we will filter the comments by positive and negative, and AI will generate an intelligent summary commenting us the improvements that we can do to the experience and what things we are doing great and we have to continue that way. Also, another thing that we were thinking about is my experiences. In this section, which is available to all users, we will show either their list of experiences if they don't have any experiences created yet. If they do, they will see an overview with average performance metrics across all their experiences with filters for last week, today, the last 14 days. And they will also see who are the best players in their experiences, in all their experiences, and they can tip directly from here. And of course, we will still, let me check. Yes, we will still have the sponsorship here. So if you want to appear, you want to sponsor your experience in the homepage, you can fill out here the form and appear there. And also we will have in the list mode and all the things that we will develop in the version that we will launch in the next month. And I think that's the gift to the community that we want to give from the design side. We think we have a lot of opportunity for this in the future, and we know that we can continue improving this. This is only a prototype made in Figma, but we wanted to close this SIP cycle from the design side with something concrete and inspiring, even as development continues with the version that we present at the final of Milestone 1. And soon we will give more updates from that side. So again, thank you so much for hearing me. Sorry if my English is not the best, but we are very happy to be in developing this platform. And greetings from Argentina, and be huge, and let's keep building together. Have a nice week and see you soon.